Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope you all are doing very well. So friends, we've come with our new video content today. Our video content today is how to fix Windows Update issue in Windows 7. Alright, so let's not delay and start our video. First, you need to go to your Windows. After going there, you need to search for something called services. Alright, when you find the option that says services, you have to click on it. After doing that, first you have to click on tech and press W here. After that, you will see several Windows options. After coming here, you have to scroll a bit. After scrolling, you will find an option called Windows Update. Okay, you need to click on Windows Update. Right click on it. After that, here you have to click on properties. Then the status type will be on manual here. After that, you need to set it to automatic. If there is a problem with your Windows where it says stop under running, you have to set it to automatic and start it here. Surely your Windows problem will be slowly the issues with your Windows will get fixed. After that, when you come here, you will see an option called restart bulletin. Here again, after right clicking in Windows Update, you will see the restart option. You have to click restart. After doing that, you will see that Windows is taking the update. So after doing this, your Windows problem will be fixed. So friends, if you like our video, subscribe and share the channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video.